Okay, today we're going to be working on this misting system for the sweat wall. The first place you want to check is on top of the case. You can see that line coming out. It's going into the wall, so I can see that the misting system is probably behind that wall. So, but a lot of the times they're just right on top of the case, and you just fix them on top of the case. But it looks like it's through the wall, so see, I'm just verifying that by looking up. That's where the pipe goes, up there where I just was on my ladder. It's up there on top of the case. So this is their Pro Mist system. You can see them on top of a walk-in cooler. There's like a door down there in the produce room and everything. There's the cases we were just looking at. You can see over here, this is whole filtration system. You see a pipe comes in through here, comes down through here, right? This was actually open when I came here, but if you just kind of read a little bit, you can see this is an in. So it goes in through here, out through here, up through here, through this black pipe, goes all the way over here, up into here, right? This is the reservoir for the system, okay? Comes over through here, all the way through, and then out to the case. So you can see it's been turned off, so I'm gonna turn it on, see what happens. You can see there's wetness everywhere, there's buckets everywhere. They've been trying to catch stuff. Leaks been going on, so let's figure this out. So you can see this was an easy one. There's nothing actually really wrong, except this fitting right here is not working. So we'll probably just get a new one of those fittings. They actually thought it was this guy because they saw that leaking, but as the pressure raises up, this fitting leaks, so we're gonna turn it off and go get a new one. So just relieving the pressure from the system, and I'm actually gonna physically take off that valve and take it with me. So I took a caliper and I measured the size of this, and it was 0.3 inches, so I'm guessing this is a 1/4 inch tube. And now I took that out by, you see that little thing right there? You push that guy in and you pull and it comes right out. And now I'm gonna twist this thing off, just like so, and I'm just gonna bring it in. And I'm probably also going to measure the thread size, see what thread size it is, but I'm just going to try to bring it in and match it up. So it ended up not coming out like I wanted it to, so I just unscrewed the top from it. And I might just buy, I'm pretty sure that this actually fits in that hole, but I think I'm just going to buy brand new connectors and a brand new valve and just, you know, replace the whole thing. By the way, if there are plumbers watching this, props to you guys. This smells horrible and there ain't even any poop juice in it, so just thought I would share. So we're just gonna go to Home Depot and see if they got this stuff. Me and my gauges, snug as a bug in their gauge holder. So here at Home Depot, aisle 9, so now you can just kind of look at everything and just say, hey, what am I gonna buy? And that looks like something maybe. That looks like something maybe. I don't know, maybe that one. So you can see that these two match. So, and then this one functionally will do the same thing. So this converts it down and this converts it down. So this is an already converted one, but it's a lot smaller than that one. So I'm just gonna go with this one, and I'm gonna reuse the old hardware because they don't have new hardware. If they had new hardware, I'd buy it, but they don't. So we're gonna reuse it and try that. So now I'm gonna put everything back the way that we found it. No words of wisdom. If you found something and it's worked that way for like 20 years, put it back the same way. Okay, just words of wisdom. And now put on some plumber's tape on there because it was on there. Okay, so what we're gonna do is when you put on plumber's tape, just life advice for you, you want it to be more secure as you twist it in. If it unravels itself when you twist it on, you put it on the wrong way. So you see that? Now it's actually tightening itself down on it. I'm gonna tighten it up with my wrench, put it all together. We'll see how it runs. Alrighty, so I valved it on over there. And now we're just kind of looking at it and we're just seeing that pressure rise. No leaks, no leaks. I screwed this up until it was fairly tight, about as tight as it was originally. Again, life principle, put it in about the same way you found it. Okay, unless, you know, you have reason to believe it was put in wrong. But so you can see that there's no longer squirting out. All good to go. So yeah, that's just how you do it. Please like, subscribe, hit the bell and all that stuff. Yeah, thanks. That's how you do it.